If you love homemade pasta, you've probably seen the Marcato Atlas 150 everywhere. But is it actually worth the money? Or is it just another overhyped kitchen gadget? I decided to take a closer look. The first thing I noticed is the build quality. The Atlas 150 feels solid. It doesn't feel like one of those cheap pasta machines that you use a few times and then forget about. It's designed for rolling pasta sheets, fettuccine and tagliolini. You also get different thickness settings, so you can make your pasta as thin or thick as you like. And honestly, using it is pretty simple. Clamp it to your counter, attach the handle, feed your dough through, then adjust the setting as you go. Once you get the hang of it, making fresh pasta becomes surprisingly quick. I also like the fact that it's a manual machine. There's no motor, no complicated buttons, just a simple hand crank. Cleaning is another plus. You generally shouldn't wash the machine with water. A brush and dry cloth are usually enough to remove leftover flour and dough. But it isn't perfect. Some owners have reported problems with the handle, gears or clamp, so durability isn't completely flawless for everyone. There's also another thing I'd watch out for. Make sure you're buying a genuine Marcato. Some South African buyers have reported receiving cheaper machines instead of the actual Atlas 150 when ordering from questionable listings. So, is the Marcato Atlas 150 a scam? No, it's a legitimate pasta machine with a strong reputation. It has also been rated highly by professional product testers